Hello, my name is Travis Gehring. Today I'd like to talk about some of my design choices for the infograph. Now, infographs are meant to draw the viewer's attention to data using more pictures and charts so that they can decipher the data instead of raw statistics in numbers and spreadsheets. One large part of this is colors. Now, the color scheme I went with followed the 60-30-10 rule. I applied about 60% of the color to a dark gray, taking up most of the background. Then I used my blue for about 30% and a light blue/white for about 10%. My hope was that laying these lighter colors over a darker color would make the information stand out well without making the reader's eyes bug out, if you will. The layout of the project is another important feature of the infograph. I chose to center everything around the points that I thought was most important, which were the percentages of growth in a visualized number. With this, I hoped that it would be a very big takeaway from the infograph and would help support its meaning, its main title, its purpose. The layout of the data statistics were chosen so that the bigger picture would be up front and first. The data about Idaho as a whole on the left top and its rural versus urban totals on the top right, represented by the hands, and down at the bottom were some statistics for two counties, Ada County and Idaho County, showing to help the viewer understand that both were growing along with the visualized percentages and Idaho as a total to show in total it's still growing. My hope was that for all the techniques used was that the reader would have their eyes drawn to the smaller parts first, so that they could take piece by piece and get a larger picture of the main fact, as the title says, that Idaho is still continuing to grow.